What if I could tell you there was an incredible dash cam that looks like it was OEM? Going from this to this. Say goodbye to traditional dash cams that stick to your windscreen that require complicated wiring. In this video, I'll be taking a closer look at this impressive OEM-style dash cam from FITCAMX, complete with a rear camera. We'll unbox it, run through its key features, install both the front and rear cameras, and put it to the test so you can see exactly how it performs in real-world use. A quick note, although this installation is demonstrated on a Skoda Octavia Mark IV facelift, FITCAMX offers vehicle-specific camera kits for a wide range of makes and models. Be sure to check out their website to see what's available for your car. Right, let's have a look at what's in the box. The camera arrives in a sturdy premium quality box, giving a great first impression. Clear markings on the side highlight some of its key features and capabilities. Inside, two separate boxes neatly organize the camera and accessories. First, we have the front camera, which records in 4K resolution. Also included are the power cables, designed to piggyback onto existing vehicle wiring, along with the cable used to connect the rear camera. On the side of the unit is a removable micro SD card and its useful 64GB capacity, providing plenty of storage for your recordings. At the front is the camera lens, currently protected by a removable sticker. The unit also features two buttons, allowing you to power the camera on or off and capture still images. Moving on to the accessories, we have the rear camera extension cable, a USB card reader that supports both SD and micro SD cards, and a trim removal tool to help with installation. The rear camera records in 1080p is also included, along with several adhesive cable clips to help secure the wiring neatly around the vehicle. There's also a smartphone holder, allowing you to mount your phone to the windscreen if needed. Finally, a comprehensive user manual is included. It covers multiple languages and provides step-by-step installation guidance, along with a handy reference sheet explaining how to remove the rain sensor cable. Now it's time to install the dash cam. The first step is to remove the lower plastic shroud located behind the rear view mirror. Using the supplied trim tool, carefully separate the two halves of the cover and pull them apart. Next, carefully split the new dash cam shroud so it's ready to be fitted later. You'll then need to remove the upper trim section. Once removed, carefully release the USB-C connector from the trim panel. With everything removed, you should be left with the following setup. The next step is to disconnect the rain sensor connector, which is located here. Now connect the supplied power harness into the rain sensor socket. Once that's in place, plug the dash cam into the harness to provide power to the unit. At this stage, I also connected the rear camera cable to the front dash cam before reinstalling any trim. You can now begin refitting the upper shroud. Take your time here and pay close attention to cable routing to ensure that no wires become trapped. Next, start routing the rear camera cable between the headlining and the windscreen, as shown. It can be a little fiddly to position everything correctly, but with some patience and minor adjustments, it all fits neatly back together. Once the trim is fully reassembled, clip the front dash cam into position. Now, let's move on to installing the rear camera. Continue routing the cable along the passenger side of the vehicle, tucking it neatly behind the edge of the headlining and over the top of the A-pillar. Be careful to avoid interfering with any airbag components during this process. To make cable routing easier, I removed some additional trim panels along the side of the vehicle, although this step isn't strictly necessary. Continue feeding the cable towards the rear passenger door area as shown. To route the cable into the boot, I partially removed the boot seal to gain access to the space above the headlining. I then used a long, narrow piece of plastic conduit as a guide, feeding it through the cavity until it emerged near the rear passenger door. The rear camera cable was then taped to the conduit and carefully pulled through, allowing the cable to be routed neatly towards the rear of the vehicle. For a fully integrated factory-style installation, I wanted all of the wiring hidden behind the interior trim panels. To achieve this, I removed the rear boot trim pieces to gain access to the cable routing paths. I then used a length of stiff electrical cable folded over at one end as a draw wire. After securing the camera cable to it with tape, I fed it through the rubber boot gaiter on the right-hand side, allowing the cable to pass neatly into the tailgate. Once the cable was through, I secured it with cable ties to prevent any movement or rattles. Finally, I mounted the rear camera in position and refitted all of the interior trim panels, completing the installation. Let's take a look at how to connect to the camera. First, there's an indicator light on the front camera that shows when the device is active. A flashing light means recording is currently in progress. The two small holes on either side are for the microphone, while the other serves as a reset button. The unit features built-in 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing you to access recorded footage directly through a smartphone app. First, download the FITCAMX app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, allow the app to access your phone's storage when prompted. Next, connect your phone to the camera's Wi-Fi hotspot. That's it, you're connected. From here, you can view both the front and rear camera feeds on your screen. There's also a settings menu where you can customize the camera setup, along with a dedicated section for browsing recorded footage. Now, this is the part you've all been waiting for. Let's see these cameras in action. Starting with the front camera, the first thing that stood out to me was the excellent image quality. The 4K footage is sharp and detailed, with strong contrast and rich, vibrant colors. Thanks to its integrated mounting position, the video is also noticeably more stable than footage from a typical windscreen-mounted dashcam. The rear camera records in 1080p, so naturally it doesn't offer the same level of detail as the front camera. Its visibility is also affected slightly by the limited size of the vehicle's rear window. However, in good daylight conditions, the footage remains clear and more than adequate for capturing events behind the vehicle. Now let's see how the footage performs when it comes to reading vehicle number plates. As you can see from this frozen frame, the number plate of the vehicle ahead is captured clearly and is easy to make out. And here's another clip showing the front and rear footage overlaid together, demonstrating that both camera feeds are perfectly synchronized with one another. It's worth noting that the camera also records audio, although at a relatively low volume. As a result, I haven't focused on it in this review. Moving on to the low light test, the front camera continues to impress. It retains good sharpness, strong contrast, and well-balanced colors, although overall visibility is naturally reduced as ambient light levels drop. The rear camera is more affected by the darker conditions, and its performance declines noticeably in areas without artificial lighting. However, where street lights or other light sources are present, it still provides useful footage of the road behind. And finally, I've included comparative footage showing how the FITCAMX performs against another reputable dashcam brand, highlighting the differences in both day and night conditions. In my view, FITCAMX clearly comes out on top here. Well, that brings us to the end of this review. To sum things up, this is a great upgrade for anyone looking for an OEM-style dash camera solution. FITCAMX delivers an excellent factory-like appearance and integrates seamlessly with the car's interior. Personally, I'm very impressed with this camera, so much so that it has now replaced my existing dashcam. Be sure to check the description for more details on this dash camera, along with an exclusive discount code. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.